Hello! Happy Sunday Fun Day! Hi crafters, I'm Trisha Shalo with Just for the Love of Stamping, and today I'm going to chat with you a little bit about memories and more. I'm hoping some of you guys are also scrapbookers, but if not, what I'm going to show you today is also perfect for the crafter. Whether you're a beginner, casual, or an avid stamper, you could make beautiful cards, beautiful scrapbook pages, beautiful albums using the Memories and More pack by Stampin' Up! So I'm just going to show you quickly. This is the annual catalog. I don't know if you can see, but there's a whole page in here. It is page 127 of the annual catalog, and it has all the fabulous Memories and More products. There's not a whole lot, which is good because it means you don't have to have it all. There's just a couple of collections with coordinating envelopes and albums, but they are so pretty. I had to order them when the catalog came out, but I haven't actually opened them yet. So I am actually going to open those with you right now. So we've got here What a Year Memories and More pack. So that's one of the things I want to show you. And then the other is the assorted Memories and More cards and envelopes. So I'm just going to open this up so that we can see what is actually in the package. So when you open it up, you have some 6x4 cards, and they come with some embellishments, and in this case, some sticker sheets. We've got weeks 1 to 51. 1 to 51. And then we've got a whole bunch of numbers. So look at these. These are fabulous if you're going to be documenting maybe your pregnancy or if you want to make a calendar. Look at, yeah, there's 52 weeks on there. I don't know what happened to the other one on that sheet. Anyways, some beautiful fun stickers to help make your card making fabulous. And of course, you can use these numbers to celebrate special milestones, birthdays, anniversaries, grads, you name it. They're so beautiful. And then, like I said, it's actually sticker sheets, so they just peel off. Beautiful. And then the other two packages are your double-sided pattern cards. So you've got your 3x4, your 6x4. And let's take a look. Remember, what was this called again? A year, or what a year. So a great way to document the whole year, of which I'm now going to have to start as of today. But we've got some fun bubbles. And on the other side, some fun pink plaid. Some flowers. Ooh, this is fun with some pool party bumblebees. And then, what does it say? Oh, you and me. That would make a fun page for Valentine's or anniversary. On the back are different kinds of paper snips, different scissors, so that's something crafty. Oh, what does this say? Good times, good times, good times. And then you've got some lovely clouds. Beautiful background. I think you could do lots with that. Some rainbows and flowers. Oh, look at, here's those paper snips, but in color. Get crafty. And then on the other side, for the record, and some shapes with a little bit of pattern, and looks like bumblebee. Yeah, and I guess I should mention that this collection actually coordinates with Basic Gray, Bumblebee, Evening Evergreen, Pale Papaya, Polished Pink, Pool Party, and Poppy Parade. What I love about these big cards is if you get a 4x6 picture frame, this is art. Now you have art for your home, for your craft studio. It's not just about the cards, it's not just about scrapbooking, but of course it is about those things because we want to do both. Look at this, isn't that fun? I'm definitely going to put that in a frame and post a picture of that after for you. And then on the back is just a little bee, again in the pool party background. Ooh, true story. Fun way for you to document. I know some of you don't like journaling in your memory keeping, and that's okay. You can just put a picture if you want, but I encourage you to journal because that's what's going to help people remember or know what it was about years down the road. I love the back. Enjoying every moment. Now, would this not make a beautiful framed art? I think so. Just some fun bumblebee. Fun little journaling card. You can make a recipe to give to someone on the back of there. That's what that reminds me of. But of course, beautiful stuff. And then just a way to document every day of the week, maybe what happened that particular week. Oh, this is super cute. I like that. And then some plants on the other side. Some more florals. If you're not a floral person, we got some keys. Oh, to go with some homes. Maybe you've just recently moved to a new neighborhood, or you've got some stories to tell about your community. That'd be a fun page. Celebrate. That's super simple, but fun. Just some more basics. I'm going a little slow here. I realize I should speed it up because I'm sure this is boring. But I wanted you guys to see, because it's hard. Inside the catalog, you don't actually get to see each of the pieces that are inside there. Oh, happy as can be. That's super cute. And then some fun florals. And remember, you don't have to use these as full cards. You can cut them up and just use pictures. Just use little pieces of them or the words. Look at that, memorable moments. And you'll see some of that. I'll do up a scrapbook page using some elements from these cards. But it's super cute. Again, hooray, hooray. Oh, check out the pink clouds. Ooh, this goes with my pink bingo, people. You haven't signed up, you might want to. Still got a couple hours left. But I think I may have to do something for that with that. Okay, so that was the big cards. Now, let's take a look at the little cards. Well, you know what? Maybe before I show you those, let me just again show you the Memories and More envelopes. So in this package, you get 40 pieces. So there's cards and envelopes that coincide with both sizes of the Memories and More pack. Okay? So you've got, they're already pre-scored. You've got some basic white cards in the regular standard card size. And then you've got some little ones that are ready to go. Let me just take a look. I'm pretty sure they're 4x3, but maybe they're a little bigger. Oh, they are a little bigger. They're 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. So that means these bigger ones are not standard size. They're going to be 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. Yep. So they're a little outside the regular envelopes that you would purchase. But this set all comes with the cards and the envelopes to fit the sizes. Okay. So everything comes with it. So let me just show you quickly. It's scored. Those big cards I just showed you, here's those big fluffy pink cards. It just goes right on top and it leaves the mat. Is that not absolutely beautiful? So for instance, let's find one that has one of those words on it, because those words make it easy. Maybe you need a birthday card for someone, or maybe you're celebrating someone's accomplishment and you want to give them a card. Look at that. Card made. Glue the card onto the front. Your card is ready to go. The package even includes that envelope, so now you tuck it in and you've got a card. And of course, if you're someone who wants to make it a little extra fancy, well, you can. Just add some extra embellishments and you're ready to go. So remember I said that there was some little cards here? Let's just take a look at these. I think these are super fun as well. So again, we've got more scissors for the crafter, the sewer. No matter what you cut, I think that's super fun to insert. Have some standard cards here. And you know what I'm noticing? This is a first. There is no one card the same. So I know in previous packs, sometimes we have multiple cards of the same to give us more selection and chances to kind of use both sides. This is looking like they're all one-sided. Oh my gosh, this is going to be hard for me to choose which one to use. So you know what this is going to mean? I'm going to need to buy 2 packages to make sure that I have both sides ready to go. But isn't that fun? Look at the rainbow. Oh, and some birds. So maybe your style isn't like the fun, colorful, but you know what? Those soft birds, day in the life. So remember, everything is double-sided. So you don't have to like necessarily the one side, but chances are you like the tones of the other. These are endless possibilities. Backgrounds, things to make with cards. Ooh, I see some fun new bird cards in the making. Smile, happy day, life is beautiful. Now, I know I'm probably going way too fast. I just feel like this is probably boring for you. But I know that if this were me, I would want to see every one of them because I can't see them in the catalog. So how do I know what project I want to make? Oh, look at this, some more pink powder. This is reminding me of my friends that do that colorful race thing. You guys can correct me and tell me what that is, but I'm sure you can make a fun page with that. Okay, so that was all the cards. The only other thing I wanted to show you is that those actually coordinate with all the in colors. So here's a sample of all the brand new in colors. If you don't have them, you'll want to grab them. If you want to keep yourself organized to kind of know what they look like, what patterns, here's a printable. You can find that in my Etsy store on Stamping with a Twist. But that's what's super fun, that those in colors coordinate with these cards, which also coordinate with the hand-penned memories and more cards. So this particular pack, unlike the last one I showed you, is all white. It's white cards, white envelopes. And it comes in 2 different sizes. This one only comes in the larger size, so the 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 cards. But it does come with coordinating envelopes. And so the card is just got a little bit of pattern and color on it. So these 2 will go with that card pack. So you can pick which one you like more, if you like the larger cards or if you want the plain white ones. But that comes with that. I can't fit it back in properly. And then we also have the envelopes. We have some fun flower print on it. So there's something there for everyone. I will put some creations, post those pictures for you to see. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments. But otherwise, have fun playing around with some memories and more. Have a great day.